Let's play Is It Cake with my family. So one of these items is a cake, and you guys will have 15 seconds to guess which one. I will start the clock now.
I think it's the butter.
Ain't no way.
No?
Look how good them letters
Right.
are.
He not that skilled. So I'm gonna have to go with maybe the cookie butter.
Maybe
The cookie butter looking good.
The top look a little different. No, I think that's to make us pick it. I'm thinking Nutella.
Nah, it's
You're
cookie
wrong.
butter.
You're wrong.
Boo.
5 seconds left.
Final.
Mother, what's your...
Cookie butter.
Okay, and why do you say cookie butter?
Because you don't have enough skills to pull up the lettering for the butter.
My mother loves to bash me. Brianna, what's your reason? What's your pick? And why do you say Nutella?
Because I said so.
I use the torch to heat it up. But is it cake?
You can't even cut through it. That would be a dry ass cake.
It's giving a box of butter.
Yay.
You know what? Reveal. Not cake. Is it cake? Uh-oh.
I was right.
It's cake!
Nutella was cake.
Brianna, why?
I didn't know, but
What the?
a lot of chocolate.
It's so good.